Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you 5 ways from which you can make yourself less dizzy when playing Minecraft. So the first way is pretty easy. Just check that your computer screen is working fine, that you don't have excess lighting, you don't have bright lights in your eyes and stuff. Just check your surroundings. If that's okay, then my next step would be to go into the options and going to the video settings and turning off view bobbing, which makes your screen go up and down when you're walking in Minecraft. My third way would be to check your FOV. You want to keep it 80. That's, I think, the default one. My fourth way, it will be getting a texture pack. If we remove the texture pack, let me just show you something, guys. I mean, everybody. So if we go to this world, we can clearly see that there is a lot of textures going at the same time. See how many textures are going everywhere? You can see everywhere textures, the small ones. Everywhere you can see textures, and maybe messing with some of you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put a resource pack, which I'm using this resource pack. It's not my resource pack. It's the Faithful, and this should fix the game. So now, as you can see, there's less pixelated textures, so it's easier to look at for your eyes. My other fourth tip, I think that's the fourth tip, or the fifth tip, would be to play minimized. So let me just find it out. So you might want to make it you might want to do it I'm sorry, I just never done this, but you get the point. I'm gonna make it full screen again, but you want to minimize the window so you don't look at so much textures and stuff. And this can be a bonus tip, the sixth tip. It may actually have to do with your GUI scale. So if we put that at 3, you see how it's all in my face and stuff, which may be better for some people, maybe not for some other people. So you might want to do that, and you might want to do that. Maybe you like seeing your stuff. I personally just use 2. I think that looks fine. You can use whatever you want, but it may have an effect on you, so keep that in mind. Also, guys, sorry for my spelling, or if I'm talking kind of weird. I'm just like didn't talk for a long time, so yeah, I'm feeling kind of weird right now. Anyway, if this helps you out, leave me a like, and if you have any other ways which can make you feel less dizzy from Minecraft, leave it in the comments, okay? And thanks for watching.